Welcome to the Average League Bowler Reviews. I am not on staff with any ball company, and all balls come out of my own pocket. What does this mean to you? I will give you an unbiased, independent review of the ball, not just telling you what's great about it and that it's amazing. If I find something I don't like, I'll let you know. Before we begin today's review, I would like to encourage you to click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any uploaded content. Today's review is on the Storm Axiom Pearl, which features the Nano Extreme Pearl cover stock paired with the low RG orbital core. This ball is symmetrical, finished at 1500 grit polished, has an RG of 2.48 and a differential of 0.050. The fragrance is peppermint. The ball motion is a strong, snappy arc that reads the mids early and is very versatile. My layout is 70 by 4 by 30. My rev rate is between 250 and 300 with a ball speed of 14.5 to 15.5 miles per hour, and my PAP is 5 over by 1 3/8 inch up. I bowled 2 games and used select shots for the video. If you'd like for me to post full games, please comment below. The shot I'm bowling on is the typical house pattern at my center. The shot in the center is typically clipped, and the Axiom Pearl blended the pattern pretty easily. This ball is beautiful and has great shelf appeal, but honestly, if you have the ball sitting on your shelf instead of in your bag, there's a problem. The colors allowed me to see all 3 phases of ball motion. If you're unfamiliar with the 3 phases, they are skid, hook, and roll. The Axiom Pearl reads the mids early and is incredibly continuous. As you'll see in the video, there were times when the ball was still rolling forward in the pit, not something that happens often when I'm bowling. If I had a bit too much hand in the ball, I would come in just a little too steep, which resulted in leaving the 4-pin. I was very surprised to find that I could flatten out my hand and successfully pick up the 10-pin. I was able to play the ball up the track or swing it outside from 10 to 5, and at times 10 to the 3 or 4 board, which meant that I had missed room both inside and outside. When I attempted to go 15 out to 5, I didn't have enough rotation to get the ball back to the pocket and went directly into the 3-pin. This still left me with a makeable spare. When I test a ball, I'm not mainly looking for strikes, though I'm not going to complain if I strike a lot. I ask myself a few questions about the ball. For example, does this ball give me missed room both inside and out? Are the pins left after the first shot a makeable spare? Am I leaving a lot of splits? Does the ball slow down to roll forward through the pins? If all of these questions are answered satisfactorily, then I know it's going to be a ball that I keep in my bag. Who is this ball good for? In my opinion, it's good for low rev bowlers or speed dominant bowlers, and quite honestly, a slow rev bowler is speed dominant. Though my scores weren't very high, I really enjoyed using this ball and will work on becoming more accurate with it. It handles surface changes nicely. Head on over to Buddy's Pro Shop and get yours today. You won't be sorry that you got this ball. As you can see by my scores, I rolled a 178 and a 187. It wasn't that great. It was only 4 opens and 1 split. With a new ball, I'll take that. That's right around my average, my book average of 181. I'd like to give a special thanks to Buddy's Pro Shop, Bowlify, Creating the Difference, and JB's Allen Bowl. There are links to each of their websites down below. Use promo code JMAC5 at Buddy's Pro Shop to receive 5% off orders of $50 or more. Exclusions do apply. Get $5 off your order at Bowlify by using promo code AVGLeagueBowler 5 off. The code only works when you follow my affiliate link in the description. Have you seen or heard about BowlIdex.com? If you haven't, it's worth your time to check out the website. BowlIdex is a place to go to research and compare bowling balls across multiple manufacturers. You can sign up for an account, which is currently free, and use it to keep track of your arsenal. The site is expanding and will have more features in the future. Thanks for watching.